there, wonderful children. How are you doing? I welcome you to today's online class on English studies, and our topic is question tags. You've heard of questions, right? What do I mean by question tags? First of all, why do we ask questions? We ask questions to inquire about something, to ascertain something, to be sure your listener is paying attention. So question tags are added at the end of a statement to understand or to know if your listener agrees with you. Question tags are short questions. They are short. They are added at the end of a statement or a sentence to ascertain if your listener agrees with you. So in question tag, we have so many rules, but today basically we'll be treating just 2 rules of question tags. Let's begin. The first rule is, in positive sentence, the tag question will be negative. In our previous lesson, we discussed positive sentence, and I told you that positive sentence is a sentence that is so. It tells you that something does, or someone has, or something is so. So in rule number 1, positive sentence, the tag question will be negative. These are positive sentences. Okay, let's get started. Number 1, the girl is here. The girl is here. And this is a positive sentence because it tells you what is so, or what happens, or what is done. The girl is here. I always tell my pupils that the easiest way to figure out question tag is to first of all have a clear view of the sentence. You read the sentence and identify the auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verbs are also known as helping verbs because they help the main verb in sentences. This is an auxiliary verb. The girl is here. The girl is here. This is an auxiliary verb and it is a positive sentence. The girl is here. This shows that it is positive. Then, for the question tag, you change it to the negative. Positive is, negative isn't. So, isn't she? She is a pronoun which shows that it is the girl. The girl is here. Positive. Isn't she? Question tag. Number 2, the traffic is heavy. The traffic is heavy. You ask yourself, what is the auxiliary verb? The auxiliary verb is he, is, and it is positive. You change it to the negative. What's the opposite of is? Isn't. Isn't. Isn't it? And one thing also that is important in question tag is that it must end with a question mark because it is a question. This shows here, this is a contraction. This is why it's here. It's contraction. Is contraction for is not. And contraction means to make something smaller. This is the full word is not, and this is a contraction. And it is used in question tag. Number 3, you are busy. You are busy. What is the auxiliary verb? Are. And it is in the positive. You are busy. You change it to the negative. Remember, positive sentence, negative question tag. You are busy. Aren't you? You can see are is positive, aren't is negative. Rule number 2. In negative sentence, the tag question will be positive. In negative sentence, the tag question will be positive. These are the examples. These are the opposites of the first rule. Number 1, she is not here. She is not here. Is not is of the negative. Is not. And what you have to do is to change it to the positive tag. Is she? Negative is not. Positive is she. Number 2, you cannot approve such. Cannot, this is the auxiliary verb in the negative. Cannot. You cannot approve such. Can you? You change it to positive. Can you? Number 3, the children are not here. The children are not here. Are not is the negative. Are not. The children are not here. And you change it to the positive. Are not. The positive of are not is are. Are they? Remember, they must end with a question mark. The last but not the least. My mother hasn't called you yet. My mother hasn't called you yet. Hasn't. Remember, I told you earlier that you should find out the auxiliary verb in each sentence. This is hasn't, is of the negative. And we change it to has. Has she? Has she? All the pronouns here shows you the is referred directly to the subject, she. You, they, the children. So what you have to do now is to revise this note by reading it over and over again to identify the question tag, positive and negative. Afterwards, you visit your class dojo for your assignment. Hope you learned something. See you later.